Hello friends! Today we are going to match the uppercase letters to their correct lowercase letters. So first we're going to start with our red ice cream bars. Let's start with this letter right here. So this is the uppercase letter A. Let's start with this first ice cream bar. Is this a lowercase a? No, that's an H. What about this letter? No, that's an O. Next? No, that's a V. What about this last one? Yes, this is the lowercase a. Now we have the uppercase A and the lowercase a. Let's go ahead and put our strawberry sauce on top of our ice cream bar. Yum, yum, yum. Now, let's do the next letter. This is the uppercase H. Let's start with this first ice cream bar on the right. Is this an H? No, this is a lowercase v. What about this letter? No, that's an O. This one? Yes, this is an H. We have our uppercase H and our lowercase h. Let's go ahead and put them together. Perfect. Let's go ahead and do this letter right here. This is the uppercase V. Can you help me find the lowercase v? Let's look. We have two more ice cream bars left. Let's start with this first one on the left. Do these two match? Is this a lowercase v? No, this is a lowercase o. Is this a lowercase v? Yes, this is a lowercase v. So now we have our matching letter V. So we have our uppercase V and our lowercase v. Let's go ahead and put them together. This is the uppercase O. O. Let's see. Let's look at this. Is this a lowercase o? Yes, these two match. We have an uppercase O and the lowercase o. Let's go ahead and put them together. Perfect. Now we have all our red ice cream bars all done. Okay friends, now we are moving to blue. Let's start with the first uppercase letter here that we have. This is the uppercase Y. We need to find the lowercase y. Let's start with this first ice cream bar. Is this ice cream bar a lowercase y? No, that's a lowercase r. Is this ice cream bar a y? This is a D. Is this ice cream bar a y? It is. This is the lowercase y. So now we have our match. We have the uppercase y and the lowercase y. Let's go ahead and put them together. Perfect. Let's put this in the side. And let's go to our next letter. Our next letter here is an uppercase K. Can you help me find the lowercase k? Let's start with this first letter on the left. Is this a K? No, that's a lowercase r. What about this letter? That's a D. What about this letter? Yes, this is lowercase k. Uppercase and lowercase k. Let's put them together. Perfect. All right, let's do our next letters. We have two more. This is the letter D. This is an uppercase D. Let's look for a lowercase d. Let's look at this first ice cream bar. Is this a lowercase d? No, this is a lowercase r. Is this a lowercase d? Yes, this is a lowercase d. We have an uppercase d and a lowercase d. Let's put them together. Now we have 3 done. Let's look at our last letter. What letter do you see? Do you know what this is? This is an uppercase R. Uppercase R. Let's look. I see one ice cream bar. Do these two match? Yes, that's a lowercase r bar. So let's go ahead and put them together. So now we have the uppercase R and the lowercase r. Let's put them together. Yay! Now we're done with all the blue ice cream bars. We are going to do the purple ice cream bars now. Let's take a look at our first uppercase letter right here. This is the uppercase letter I. We need to find the lowercase I. So let's look at the first ice cream bar right here. Does this match? No, this is a lowercase W. What about this second ice cream bar right here? No, this is a lowercase b. What about this ice cream bar? No, that's a lowercase p. Okay, what about this last one? Yes, that's a lowercase I. We have the uppercase I and the lowercase I. Great job. This next letter is the uppercase P. This is the uppercase P. Let's find the lowercase p. Is this the lowercase p? No, this is a lowercase w. Is this the lowercase p? No, this is a lowercase b. What about this one? Is this a lowercase p? Yes, that's a lowercase p. So we have the uppercase and lowercase p. Put them together. Let's go ahead and move on to our next letter. Our next letter is an uppercase B. Is this first one the lowercase b? No, that's a lowercase w. Is this lowercase b? Yes, this is a lowercase b. So now we have our match. We have the uppercase b and the lowercase b. Ta-da! Let's look. We have one more. We need to see what letter this is. This is the uppercase W. W. Let's find the pair. Oh, I see one more. Do these two match? Yes. This is the uppercase and lowercase w. Perfect. Now we have all our purple ice cream bars all done. Now it's time to match our green ice cream bars. Let's take a look at our first uppercase letter. This is the uppercase E. Let's go ahead and find the matching lowercase e. Let's take a look at our first bar. Is this a matching lowercase e? No. This is a lowercase L. What about this next ice cream bar? No. This is a lowercase s. What about this next ice cream bar? No, that's a lowercase z. Let's take a look at the last ice cream bar. Yes, that's a lowercase e. We have an uppercase e and a lowercase e. Let's put them together. Our first green ice cream bar, ready to go. Now, let's take a look at our next letter. This is an uppercase Z. Let's look for the lowercase z. Let's look at this first bar right here. This is a lowercase L. What about this next one? This is a lowercase s. This next one? Yes, this is a lowercase z. We have our uppercase and lowercase z. Let's go ahead and put them together. This is the uppercase S. Let's look for the lowercase s that matches. Let's take a look at this first letter. This is a lowercase L, so they don't match. What about this next one? Yes, this is a lowercase s. They match. So we have an uppercase s and a lowercase s. Let's go ahead and put them together. Let's take a look at our last letter, shall we? This is the uppercase L. Let's go ahead and look for the lowercase l. All right, let's see if this is a lowercase l. Does it look like a lowercase l? Yes, that's a lowercase L. Now we have the uppercase L and the lowercase L. Let's go ahead and put them together. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. Now we are moving to our brown ice cream bars. Let's look at our first uppercase letter. This is the uppercase T. Now we need to find the lowercase t that matches. This is a lowercase f, so they don't match. What about this next ice cream bar? No, this is a lowercase m. Let's take a look at this last ice cream bar. Do they match? Yes, this is a lowercase t. Here is our uppercase t and our lowercase t. Let's put them together and we have our first brown ice cream bar done. Now, let's take a look at our next letter. This is the uppercase M. Let's look for the lowercase m. This first ice cream bar looks like the letter F. It's a lowercase f, so they don't match. Is this a lowercase m? Yes, this is a lowercase m. They match. We have our uppercase m and our lowercase m. Let's go ahead and put them together. This is the uppercase F. F. Let's take a look if these two match. Let's look at this last ice cream bar. Is this a lowercase f? Yes, it is. They match. We have an uppercase F and a lowercase f. Let's go ahead and put them together. And we have our 1, 2, 3 brown ice cream bars all done. Now we have the pink ice cream bars. This is the uppercase U. We need to find the matching lowercase u. We need to look for the lowercase u. Is this a lowercase u? No, this is a lowercase g. Let's check the next bar. No, this ice cream bar has a lowercase n. This ice cream bar has the lowercase u. We have the uppercase letter u and the lowercase letter u. Let's go ahead and put them together. Next we have the uppercase letter N. Let's start with the first ice cream bar on the left. Is this a lowercase n? No, this ice cream bar has a lowercase g on it. What about this ice cream bar? Yes, this ice cream bar has the lowercase n. They match. We have an uppercase letter N and we have a lowercase letter n. Let's go ahead and put them together. Now we have 2 matching ice cream bars. Let's take a look at our last letter. This is the uppercase letter G. Let's look for the lowercase g. We have 1 more bar right here. Let's see if that has the lowercase letter g. It is. It's a lowercase letter g. We found the last pair. We have an uppercase letter G and a lowercase letter g. Let's go ahead and put them together. We did it! Great job, friends! You found all the pairs. Now, let's go ahead and put all the letters in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job, friends, on finding all the letters today and saying all the letter names. I will see you all next time. Goodbye.